Tense but romantic traffic situations like this. Or this silly old man situation. Then our life will be much less stressful. Welcome everyone to today's new video. Let's learn together how to handle traffic on the road. Let's go. The guy in this car was proposing to his girlfriend, and he was driving very slowly, but it must have been God's will. Luckily, it was just a minor issue. But in case the vehicle is overloaded like this, you should slow down to be able to handle the problem. Like in this case, the car moved across the road for what reason? I don't understand what the driver was thinking. What caused the explosion at the gas station? Luckily, there was no one there, so there was no problem. The car suddenly turned like this. Did it lose control? Check your car regularly. He was so innocent and carefree. Luckily, all the cars were slow. The 5-seater is ridiculous. Poor truck, he did his job right. Intersection at night, it was stupid to go fast, and he ran a red light. Thank you for watching the video. Please leave me your comments. I always listen to your opinions. Another traffic case at night, we should pay attention and move slowly for our own safety. Wish you a happy new day and safe driving. The black car kept going straight and didn't want to give way to anyone, completely lacking in traffic awareness. This is also a moment of reckless driving by the driver. He should control his emotions while driving. Luckily in this case the airbags deployed and the two girls were safe. There is both an intersection and a pedestrian crossing, but he still drives like there is no one there. As you can see in the video, the new car will be more solid and stable in traffic collisions. If there hadn't been this collision, the guy walking on the street wouldn't have known what to do. Luckily, no one had any problems. Oh my God! Is the white car running or flying? The pole on the side of the road is no longer intact. The car going the wrong way lost control of its steering wheel and collided with two cars. I think everyone is safe. This red car was not very lucky. It was clearly stopping on the road to give way to pedestrians. Oh look guys! The wheel of the black car seems to have separated from the car. Luckily no one got hurt.